Hey guys, what is bugging you about your home? What do you feel unmotivated to tackle? Whatever that space is, today's video is gonna serve as cleaning, decluttering, and organizing inspiration all on a budget. So you leave ready to get started. Should we show them the inside?
Let's show them.
Let's do it. Today we're headed to my friend Stephanie's house. She has 3 super sweet boys. Oh. And a gaggle of animals. And we wanted to start small so she could have achievable and long-lasting results. And I recommend this to anybody. Pick 3 spaces in your home that are driving you crazy. Hers were her pantry, her laundry room, and her kids' homeschool station. When you start with incremental changes, these things can make a big impact and a ripple effect throughout your home. We started with the pantry. Most people trying to get organized never ask this question: how do I use this space? And it's probably the most important question because it's not about new containers, it's about creating a system that repeats itself so you save time and money.
It's because it's not organized, so I just buy it again and again.
Okay, that's what we'll fix. What would you consider that? Baking? Yes! So we're just taking everything out. I've enlisted and recruited help from all the people.
Bucket of chips.
Bucket of chips. Clearing everything out and looking at each item, decluttering what you don't need, and actually seeing what you have is so powerful. They're like, what's going on?
She's not used to it being.
Gotta check it out.
In there.
She's like, this is empty.
Magic erasers for the win. Whenever you can, getting your family involved is so critical too, because those are the people who are going to be keeping up the system with you. Oh, it's good. The bins came from the dollar section at Target. We used can organizers from the Dollar Tree and a Lazy Susan that I got on sale to make items really easy to access so you don't have to reach to the back of the pantry. I also found on Amazon on sale some food storage containers, and I also have some from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to show you guys the best ones. Now she has a really defined section for baking that's easy to get down and put back. We have a snack bin. I love using big Rubbermaid containers like this because they act like drawers. Don't forget to leave space for overflow. A trick I like to use is putting the overflow items behind the bins in your pantry. That way you're not overbuying items, you can see what you have and replenish as needed. Labels might seem a little silly, but they really are important for the long haul. Yeah, this is riveting footage right here.
Yes. Riveting.
Riveting.
Happy snacksidents.
Happy snacksidents. People tell me all the time they aren't naturally organized. I wonder where in your house there's room for little moments of change. And don't focus on it staying totally perfect. You may have to tweak things later, but now you aren't starting from scratch. You're starting from experience, and that's pretty awesome. Now on to the laundry room. As we worked, I was really reminded of the power of that clean slate. I think over time, things can build up around your house, or you just shut the door and you don't want to look at it and it feels completely overwhelming to tackle. But really, once you get started, it doesn't take that long and it is so satisfying. Those little things like cleaning a wall or a door. Cleaning is addictive. You're behind my vibe now, Dee.
That's behind your vibe now.
Now you get the satisfaction. Now that I've done your kitchen, you're like, yes. So we're gonna have all of the detergent on this side by the washing machine. This is a caddy of stuff they use all the time, so you want this to be super easy to access. And as you work, ask yourself, am I maximizing the valuable real estate of my home? Are the things that I'm getting to all the time really easy for me to get to? And how can I make it even simpler to access? I love having Lazy Susans up high and keeping the things that are helping my life right in front of me. It makes a big difference. Should we show them the inside?
Let's show them.
Let's do it. Is it good? Alright. And every bin and container you see here is from the dollar store. Of course. And now that pesky school cubby. The kids do their school online, but they do have some learning resources. So we cleared it all out. And in the process, I discovered Bryson is my spirit animal.
The good music from Disney movies.
On vinyl?
Yeah. The Beatles, Journey, Queen, and Michael Jackson.
He's the coolest person I know. Lots of times bins like this, especially with books and papers, things tend to get lost. You want to be able to see everything that you have. So we're going to come up with a new system for all of these items.
Dude, the stuff floating.
Stuff is floating. It's ready to be cleaned. Ooh, what's this? And I found a nickel.
Bird on bird.
Very off-brand. Why is this? From the Dollar Tree, one of my favorite products. It can feel overwhelming, but it's going to have huge results in the end. Like, what are the main categories of stuff? Drawing supplies, paper, craft supplies, and like some science experiments. All right, we're gonna just like take away excess packaging, because it's one of those things where sometimes it can feel like we want to keep every single thing that we have, but oftentimes we can't get to the stuff that matters because there's too many distractions.
This is 2 years old.
We can Marie Kondo this. Bryson loves art. It's something he's really into, so we were able to create an entire caddy just for his art things. He is so cool and totally my people.
Hogwarts espresso, Victor crumb cake.
So what you're saying is that this stays?
Yes.
Yes. And every single bin is from the Dollar Tree. And these are another favorite of mine because you don't have to keep track of the lid. It stays right on, and they're also clear so you can see what you have inside. And she was using these Dollar Tree caddies on the top of the shelf, which I think is great. We just need to declutter them a little bit, and this space is gonna be awesome. I think sometimes as adults we see decluttering or organizing as one more thing added to the list, but it can be fun too. Kids always remind me to keep laughing and find joy in the little things. Oh man, that's the type of thing I would get rid of right away.
It's like a jar of boogers.
Basically, which is probably why it's fun, right? It's simple and just a few dollars were spent, and we even used items they already had. We had Dollar Tree caddies on the top with all of the items they need to bring over to the table, and now what's left is what matters. Anytime you can laugh at yourself and infuse that joy into decluttering and organizing, I think it makes a big difference. And as you start to organize your home, you'll see that ripple effect and you'll get excited about tackling new spaces because it feels so good to have spaces that you love. Be sure to subscribe so I can catch you in the next video, and leave it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. If nobody has told you today, you are enough. I am grateful for you, and when you declutter your space, you tag me on social so I can cheer you on too. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Okay. We're very professional, clearly.
Yes. I have a bummer sticker on the back.
Look at his phone on the back.
That's really cool.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah, it has a
Dude. Because it comes in bulk from Costco, so you know.
Costco.
From
You get pork
yeah.
chops.
Oh, the pork chops from Costco. Get the glue.
We need a gun for the glue.